Hey, welcome to lecture number 18. Today we are going to cover a bit of master data for the sales order, and we'll be creating customers, and then we proceed to have the sales order created with the finished goods, and these finished goods will then be recorded into the inventory, and some of these parts of this inventory will be returned. But first we'll make a finished good as well in the material master. For that, of course, these are the steps, and in these steps, of course, we have, along with the master data, we'll be entering the condition types. In condition types, we have missed some steps in the past. We'll cover that in the later lectures when we create another purchase order. This is a sales order steps that we'll follow, and we'll be adding some tax liability on this one. On top of that, then we'll create production receipts through Migo. We record the documents in and in FI. And then we'll have, after the sales order, we'll have a delivery that will be delivered. After the delivery, of course, we'll analyze the price of the material and go on to check the details of our billing documents along with the accounts impact. From there, we will return some of the partial goods from the inventory. We'll create a credit memo on top of that that will be routed through the sales and distribution module to record its impact at both ends in sales and distribution and as well as from the finance side. Now, moving back to the first one, let's create a customer. And for that, we'll head to the BP section, the business partner. Okay, BP. From here, we'll just follow the steps, simple steps. Organization button, business partner, LAP, BP9. And okay, organization. We've already added the grouping. Grouping was IMC. Let's see where that was. Okay, IMCO, it should be. Okay, we'll have a look at it again. These are different groupings that are created already in the system. IMCO vendor groupings, that was what we were looking for. And business partner grouping, LAP customers. But this was vendor groupings. No, we don't want vendor groupings. We need customers. Okay, for that, of course. Okay, what we'll do is we'll go to SPRO. And we'll create a customer grouping. Cross-application components. Business partner. Business partner. Basic settings. Number range and groupings. Assign number ranges, groupings, and assign number ranges. Okay. IMCO. Okay. Vendor grouping, Z7 external. Okay, this is IMVN for the vendors. And we'll assign the same number range for the customers also. We'll just copy this one. Copy as CS. Customer groupings. Customer groupings Z7. Okay. Once that is done, the basic settings are done. We head down to master data synchronization. Master data synchronization, customer vendor integration. Settings for customer. BP role for direction customer to BP. BP role category for direction BP to customer. So this is direction BP from BP to customer from the finance. Okay. And I believe this is not the one. BP role for customer direction to BP. Group. Okay. Field assigned. Yeah. Assign keys. Direction BP to customer. Yeah. From here, what we'll see is grouping. This is the grouping, and this is the integration with the account group. We will have to create an account group. Okay. And for that, we will keep this as it is. SPRO. We'll go to financial accounting. Accounts payable and receivable. Vendor accounts. We are going to create customer accounts, but we just want to see what are the numbering ranges that have been assigned. Numbering range for vendor accounts, assign numbering range to vendor account groups. Just want to have a look at that first. IMCO. Z7. What are the numbering ranges? What's the numbers that are being followed? Okay. Page down. Z7. Okay. Z7. We need to copy this. This might be missing from the customer side. Copy. Okay. Now go to customer accounts. Preparations. Screen layout for account groups. IMCO. Oh, IMCS. Customer group. Customer group. Save. And assign number ranges. Create number ranges. Intervals. Let's hope there are no gaps or overlaps. Insert a line. Okay, save. Okay, luckily there were no overlaps. Now we'll just attach this to the account group. Z7, position, IMCS, Z7. Now we're ready to integrate it with the business partner settings, and it should be good to go. Okay, new entries, IMCS and IMCS. Customer group and customer grouping. This is cross application components, and this is coming from FI. Same numbers, but I think we have forgotten to mention it was external number range. Okay. Financial accounting. Payable, customer accounts, master data, operations, number range, and number ranges for customer accounts, intervals. We go to the end. External, very important, because only then we could be able to integrate this with business partner, because that is a requirement for this part. Same numbers, it will fetch the numbers, and from here it will derive the numbering of the master data when we create the master data. Okay. Now, because it did not find any conflict because we marked it as external. Okay. Now we can head back to BP. Okay. Organization, vendor groups, and IMCO vendor groupings. Okay. So this will be IMCO BP9, IMBP9. Generalized company, lab customers. This is IMCO customers. AE, language English. Save. Let's see, it doesn't enter ID number. It goes 3889. Number not in interval. Oh, okay. IMDP9. IMDP9. Enter a number. Oh, okay. Already exist. Exist. Okay. Address and IMDP9. BP9. Okay, save. Okay, 9002 is created. Address tab. Search tab. Country, region. Okay, fine. Change in BP role, FI customer general data button, customer general data tab. FI customer assignment. Change in BP role. Okay. Now display and change. FI customer standard. Okay. General data. General data. Okay. Customer general data. External customer number, LAP SD customer. What's missing in address? Let's see. City has no entry. Okay. City has no entry. Okay. 3595. Okay. External. Where is external? We don't have an external number here. Additional train station location code plant. Okay. External customer number, company code button. Okay. IMCO. Okay. Reconciliation account. Do we have that? Recon account. Let's see. IMCO should have, yeah, 20610. Sort key 031. Payment transactions 0001. Tolerance group. Okay, tolerance is basically the ceilings for allowing discounts and the maximum invoice value to customers. How much your accounting clerk or officer can make an invoice of so that financials are not at risk. Save. Okay, let's save it. It has been saved. Change BP role, customer, sales and distribution button, sales and distribution button. SD customer standard. Sales and distribution. Oh, sales org. Okay, sales org, I believe is I am. Not sales. Yeah. And O, distribution channel. Okay, not direct sales. I9. Okay, orders tab. Orders tab, customer group, industry, retail, repair, retail, but no, 01, customer group, industry, pricing procedure, pricing, customer pricing procedure. Now, this is very important for pricing procedure. 01, we'll just take this one. 01, shipping tab. Okay, in shipping tab, order delivery priority. 02, delivering plant. I am 01, shipping condition as soon as possible. Standard. Okay, billing tab. Account assignment group, this is also necessary for pricing conditions. 01, payment terms, account assignment group 01, pricing, tax classification. UTXJ, 1. Liable for taxes. Okay. Okay, it is pricing. Billing documents. See what this is. Manual invoice. Invoices for manual post-processing should be printed. No, we don't need this. Other than that, partner functions, let's check this. Okay, BP. Save. This is for SD. FI and SD, both customers have been made, and a generalized has also been made. Okay, next step is creating material finished good. LM01. LAPFG. Okay, now this will be IMG mechanical engineering, and type will be finished goods, and we'll just finished product. Views. No external for material type. Okay. Okay, now we'll select basic data, sales, or data 1, data 2, plant data, MRP 1, accounting 1, and organization levels. Okay, MRP. MRP 1, accounting 1. Work scheduling, accounting, costing, accounting 2, and organization levels. Okay, IM 01. Storage location. That should be a line. AI. I see. Okay. Finished goods 1010. Okay. Sales org. We already have a sales org. Okay, sales org. North. Direct sales. South. Direct sales. LP9. We go for this one. I9. Distribution channel. Okay. Enter. LPFG. Each material group. CFG. Each material group. Okay. Metals. Division. Division LS. Small cars. We'll go for IM small cars. IS. General item category group. This is norm. Standard item. This is also used for pricing. Pricing procedures. Very important. Sales org tab. Basic data. Sales org. Okay. In sales org, delivering plant LP1. Delivering plant. Name 01. Text data 1 for UTXJ and 1 for MWST. 1. Flexible. 1. Okay. Or 2. Okay. Account assignment group 03. This is again for pricing. Account assignment group, this is for pricing. This is with a combination of customer that we have already seen in master data 03 finished goods. This will be using norm account assignment group item, general item category group, and 03. With this combination and customer combination, we make a pricing procedure which actually works with this material. Okay. General plant tab. Okay. Over here, gross weight, net weight 1, KP note check. 1, 1, KP note check. Okay. 03, that is manual, P101. Setup time. Profit center. Okay, let's see what is the profit center. P101. Control code and MCO. 1 and 2. Okay. This is very important again. MRP1 tab. MRP1 tab. MRP. ND. Accounting 1 tab. 1 data storage. Okay. All good. We can use batch management, but we'll have to create batches. We have to configure that, but we're not going to that right now. Okay. Accounting 1. Accounting 1. Valuation class. Valuation class. This is FIMM integration. Valuation class. We don't have yet finished products. IM03. Price determination. Valuation category is also important. Price determination is 3, which is multi-level. Multi-level means that finished goods has different levels before it becomes a finished good. So every level will be included in multi-level, which is the price determination. The standard price is 600. Standard price 600. Price control is S because it's finished goods, and we'll set it. Local currency converted to currency using exchange rate. Okay. Save your data. Yes. Okay. Next is save to ignore warning message VK11. Okay. 2024. We'll copy this. VK11. Using condition type create, condition type ER00, ER00. Now what we're doing is sales organization, key combination button, material with the release status. Release status, choose sales org, material, sales org. It is LNS. So ours will be input direct sales. Okay, I9. Material 700 amount each. Valid from. Okay, validity is 1 year. 01/01/2026. 6 and until 31/0/6. Okay. Save by button, condition type is 07. Invalidate 31/4. Oh, okay, 30. Currency, okay, EAAD. Condition account has been saved. Condition type is K007. This is customer discount condition. Customer is company code. Customer. Enter sales org division. Customer amount 1. Amount 1. 30/4. WST and WST. Domestic taxes. Domestic taxes. Country AE. This is taxation class. This is taxation class material. Okay. Taxation class customer. Taxation class material. WST and WST1. Full tax. This is full costs. Tax coding procedure PK tax is invalid. Okay. Or maybe we'll just not. Sales order VA01. Okay, VA01. Order type 1, which is standard order. Direct sales, distribution. Division, also division. Order type not defined in sales area, I9, IS. Okay, let's Okay, division was not actually put in there. And it was sold to party. Sold to party. Sales org, search. Okay, sold to party, customer reference 567. No customer record exists. Sold to party. What is this going on? Okay. Imno, 99, order, Imno. Nine zero two. We need two. 67. PP. Let's see. Sold to party. Imno. Okay. SD customer standard. Sales distribution. Imno I9. Shipping. Billing. Partner function. Invoicing. Domestic revenues. Partner function. Switch between change. Okay. Billing. Okay. So we're actually defining that part where we have to give the customer an identity. Determination shipping assignment for deliveries, set partner determination procedures, master data, basic functions, set up partner determination. Let's see this one. Or it should be shipping. Okay, this is coming under sales and distribution, basic functions, set up partner determination, under partner determination. Okay, for customer master, sales document header, shipment, billing. Okay, for customer master, sold to party. MPD. Okay, F12. This IMCO. Okay, IMPD is here in procedure. Sold to party, ship to party, no change possible. IMPD partner function, partner mandatory. SD customers, IMPD. Okay, partner function, partner type. Okay, align is D. Copy as. Okay, well, IM is D sold to party. DP. SD build to party is also there. Ship to party, MSD, this is also there. Okay, party determination, sold to party, party description, build to party. Okay. Okay. Go to head partners, display range. Data was saved. Okay. No customer master record exists for sold to party. Okay. No. V01. Okay. Okay, so last time you got stuck with this part. Now it's telling that sales and distribution, basic functions, partner determination, different partner functions, master data environment, account group assignment. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll access this configuration node. Pingo, this Pingo. Sales distribution, basic functions. Sales distribution, basic functions, partner determination, setting up partner determination. What was that? The instruction that it gave? Define partner determination. Okay. Partner determination, define partner determination, or set up partner determination, and customer master data. Okay, customer master. And it says this is where we actually set the partner functions. Okay. IMPD, determination, partner functions in procedure, and SP. No change possible. Okay, no change possible. Okay, that's why it was that's why it was grayed out. No change. Okay. Determine procedure assignment. Group. Okay, our group was IMPD. Okay, IMPD and IMPD for both of these groups, and IMPD assignment partner functions. IMPD SPBP PYSH. Okay, partner functions. Partner function SP. Sold to party. Partner type. KU customer. It's already there. Customer. Account groups function assignment. This is where it is showing the error. Partner function. Okay. Sold to party. SP. Account group. IMSD. Sold to party. IMSD. Okay. Partner function conversion. VESE. Okay. It's already assigned over here, but still SP, and I believe we have another account group. So what we'll do is copy as and get another account group that we made earlier. Okay. Okay. Name is the IMCS. Save. Okay. Next is that we create a sales order. Is not defined. Okay. Table. SIM30. Find maintenance. Billing header, billing item, customer master. KU. Okay. Maintain. Okay, VAUSNET was locked it. So we'll have to move out from this view. Okay, no. Maintain. Okay, over here we have IMPD. Oh, it's the same thing. Sold to party. Sold to party SPBP PYSH. Okay. SD. IMCS. Customer account group. CSSD. CS SD. Okay. One group SD IMPD. Okay. And we should have another IMPD. Okay. Now, IMPD and IMPD will have that hierarchy. SPBT, PYSH. Okay. Now, what we do is we rerun, open BP. Okay. So we're done. Switch between display and change. Now we should proceed for database container not be saved, is not defined. I should want to change without saving. Customize modifier function BP. Build to party. You want to change. Okay. Switch between display and change. Okay. Save. Function BP. Build to party. Build to party. Okay. Build to party. It's already there. PYSH ship to party. Let's revisit this. IMPD. Okay. Partner function. SPKU. BP. KU. PY. KU. KU is custom. Okay. SH. KU. All good. Account groups function assignment. SP. BP. Okay. Copy as IM. CS. Okay. SPBP. PY. IM. CS. SH. IM. CS. Save. Save. Okay. Fair enough. Now this should do the trick, and we shouldn't have this problem again. Open BP. Okay. Save. Yeah, that's it. Now we can create the sales order. Is it one? Or okay, now it says for this part, IS it's not made. Combine sales and distribute division, assign them all types to sales areas. Okay. And for covered. Sales org IM CO. Okay, north, south, L9, OR division, and distribution is not there. Okay. North, south. Okay. Combined sales org. L9 NS. So okay, this is done. Okay. Combined distribution channels. Sales org. Direct sales reference distribution. Direct sales. Save. Okay, division. IS. 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 Okay. Assign to order to sales areas. Okay. Sales area, S division. Okay. Division. Order types to sales areas. Now, this is also part of learning because although we have veered off the track for a while, but again, it will add to your knowledge. Okay. Reference sales area. North, and it says IS. L9. We don't have L9 anymore. Mhm. The inventories. Direct sales, I9. I9. Okay, division. Yes. Yes. Sales type. Let's do one thing. It is 12. And O. Who are your ZGPS? Copy as yes. Okay, now this should not give us a problem. VA01. VA01. Okay. 902, 902. No pricing procedure could be determined. Okay. Now pricing procedure will have to maintain for this one. Okay, 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 okay. Exist in table 683B. A01. I9 IS A01. Content subjects. Okay. 683B. Check the name. Okay. Table. Let's go from here. Pricing procedure is again a vital part for your career to understand how SAP pricing procedure integrates and works. Define and assign basic function sales distribution. Okay, this sounds relevant. And this relevancy will help us to determine the pricing procedure for that combination. Sales distribution, basic function, pricing, pricing control. Define and assign. Procedures, set pricing procedures. Okay. What was that again? What was that message? A01. Determine set pricing procedure determination. Set pricing procedure determination. Okay. Sales org. I am no. IMAP. Okay, we'll have to copy this. So what we'll do is A1 pricing procedure PR00. Over here we change the distribution and division. Direct sales. I9. 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 Yes. 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 PR00. Now the student. Okay. Data was saved. Okay. Now this shouldn't make any problem. Okay. VA01. Enter. Again, I9 IS A01. Okay, A01. VM, and O, IMAP, PR00. Okay, A1. And what does it say? It says I9 ES01, I9 IS A1. Pricing procedure, say 1 or 01. 01 and 1 standard. Okay, and the error says 01. Okay. So we need to add this very same entry. I9 IS, I9 IS. Okay, copy as 01 and 01. Okay, now I shouldn't make any complicated word block for us. Okay. Set the date now. It's the date. We'll set it. Let's stop here for a while. Okay. Now we'll create the sales order again. VA01 order type OR sales org IM distribution channel. Okay, division is small cars 902 902 567. Sold to party customer reference. Go to menu header partners. Go to header partner. Reference date. Okay. Enter payment terms 0001. Okay. More. Go to header partner. Partner is this 3595 to party. Okay. Display range. Target all employees. Let's move on. Microchip customer reference today's date, recorded today's date, delivery plant. Delivery plant is LAP1. IM01. Okay. Complete delivery. Payment terms 0001. MM60. Get the list of materials in a plant. Plant is IM01. Execute. This is FG. Okay. Control Y, Control C, Control Y, Control C. And the condition type. Go to menu item conditions. Menu. Menu. Item conditions. Item conditions. Conditions. Ten order quantity plant. Item category. Plant IM01. Select item 10. Go to item conditions. Okay. Customer discount. We don't see MWST. Condition and amount 5%. Enter. PR0, this is condition type. Okay, let's move on. Let's not get halted here. Make a note of discount amount 7, make a profit margin. The profit margin is 93. It's calculating that, so that means the pricing procedure is well in place. Now edit menu into incompletion log. Edit incompletion log. Okay, input terms, shipping point. Shipping. Okay, order unloading. Item category, unit conversion. Configuration. Okay. Competitor better, dealing fulfillment. Okay, everything is good. Sales. Incoterms. Okay, Incoterms. Incoterms is cost insurance freight. Location. Dubai. Okay, and save. Edit. Shipping point, receiving point, missing data. Okay. Okay. Shipping point, receiving point. Receiving point. Save it. Receiving standard order 604. 604 is saved. Production receipt, Migo. Migo. Inventory management, good moment receipt. Other receipt without order 521. Other 521. Document date, today's date. Enter. Material tab, LAPFG, which is MM60. F8. Control Y, Control C, Control Y, Control C. Quantity tab, 150 kg. Plant LAP1. Plant IM01. Storage location 1010. Text GR from production and item OK. Item OK. Check post. Okay, we have to open the posting periods. That is okay. Okay, what we do here is MMRB, IMCO, current period, previous. Okay, MMEV, IMCO 02/2026. Allow negative quantities and values in previous period. Execute. Converted. Okay, close this and post it. Okay, 150 each. Okay, post. Now, display documents, Migo, material document, enter, document for tab, FI documents. We copy this. Okay, 9501. Display documents. 9501. Double click. Migo. Um, that document info tab. Where do we see this? Okay. B51. Just 551. Okay. More. Maybe we counting document. So we have two documents. Yeah. Increase, decrease stock 90,000. We have 90,000. Okay. Profit center document in USD. Material ledger 90,000. Okay. Fair enough. Yeah. Okay. Next is material price analysis, CKM3. Material. Again, we'll have to pull that 60. F8. Control Y, Control C, Control Y, Control C. Company code, currency, and okay. Being inventory received our order 521. Okay. VL01N, which is delivery. So 1N and shipping point LSH. Okay. INSH should be INSH. Enter. Maintain the order. Okay. Okay. VA02604. Shipping. Not yet delivered. Receiving point. Dubai. Save. Edit. Shipping point. Okay. And completion log. Shipping point. Okay. IM01. No, IMSH. IMSH. Shipping condition 01. Okay. Storage location not defined. Shipping condition 01. Not defined. Okay. Combination IM01. Check your entry for shipping point and customizing for customization. Proceed. We'll go from here. Here and see what's missing actually. Sign shipping points. This is missing. How come? Shipping condition 01. Loading group. Plant. Okay. 01. Okay. Shipping point. Standard pickup lot. Truckload trains standard. Next day ESP. Standard. Plant. IM01. Loading group. Manual machine. Manual. Okay. Crane. Enter. 02. 03. 07. Save. So this actually interprets and details the understanding and gives you an in-depth grip of the supply chain and the logistics part as FICO consultant. That's why the value of FICO consultant in the market is pretty much valued and valuable. Okay, so we go back. Okay, now enter, not defined. Up, F12. Escape, 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 escape. VA02, VA02, go to edit incompletion log, hitting point, storage, not point. How is that? Leading group. Oh, okay, got it. Loading group. Loading group was 01. No, I am 0001. I am 01. Okay. Proposed shipping points. I am 01. I am 02. I am 02. Is okay. Loading group. Save. Shipping point not for this transaction. Shipping point. 01, 0001, I am 01. I am message. I am message. 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 Okay. 01. Okay. Save. VL01N. Enter. Today's date picking tab. Picking tab. Picking tab LAP1. Pick quantity. Storage location. 1010. Post bit issue button. Okay. Okay. Enter document flow button. Order type. Okay, it's done already. Display. Document flow. Good issue. Display. Outbound delivery in process. Picking request. Complete. Okay. Display document. Document info tab. Delivery note is also generated for this. Material document. Document info tab. FI documents. Cost of goods sold. Debit. Transaction DSX and GBP. We have already discussed this. Inventory is reduced by 6,000. Material price analysis. CKL3. Material 604. Okay. 84,000 received. 12 was received. Then it was issued out of 90,000. 6,000 has been reduced from 150. 140 is the remaining stock. Okay. EF01 for billing. F for finance. Okay. This is document. This is a delivery document. Go to menu. Item conditions. Okay. No. Since this is not configured, we'll just bypass it. Note down the billing document menu display. Enter. sales, label. In case of a document, save document generate document and BF02 billing document, release to accounting, double click on error message. Okay. Assignment, delete cost element, I'm trying to create again next topic. No account specified. Make sure you have assigned key code VKI for deleting from sales order. Okay, so that's why we have actually bypassed MWSD for now. So now we don't actually run into more of issues, and we can actually see and experience the flow of documents when it comes to moving the materials in and out of plant. Come on. Okay, and now save. Error in accounting determination. Okay, the document will now menu release to accounting. Release to accounting is not okay. Okay. We go to the F02. The F02 billing document menu release to accounting. Double click on the error message. Okay. The F02. Account determination error. Outbound delivery details. Material account determination. Okay. Account determination. Details account determination. Okay. Now this is where we actually not kind of specified. Double click on error messages. Not actually. Okay. Let's do that again. The F02 details. Status overview. Posted. Display document. Okay. Account determination error. Okay, last time we did not miss, actually, it was this document, the billing document that was not getting invoiced. Now we have invoiced it. What was the error? We'll just have a look at it, but first let's see the document flow of this invoice and see if the invoice has been raised. Yes, it has been raised. This was the last time we actually got stuck over here. We had some issues with the configuration. Okay, the general entries, and we can display the document. This is the document that has been displayed, and document header will be. Now this is coming in from that complete document trail. The reference key, this is the sales order. The reference that we put in the sales order, the T code is VF02, transaction is BBRK, which is the billing document, RE is the document type. And what was the error that we experienced in the last step? Because at this point, the journal entry was not being generated. And for that, we'll just go to the error part. It's quite easy. It was easy to work on it, but detecting it is sometimes the challenge. And okay, billing documents, maintain copy control. This was the error. Delivery document, because we have already delivered it, and once the delivery document is generated, it has to upgrade or progress to the billing document and create an invoice and pass on the entries to finance. That was the error. So it was the integration error at the document type at the header level, and the invoice that we were generating, because I had to cross-check from the sales order document type, header type, at the header level, the document type. F2 is the billing type, And outbound delivery, this was the LF delivery that we created. So we created the invoice using this one, and outbound delivery was created using LF. Okay, we select this, we can also double click this, and we will have the configuration set over here where the header part is basically pointing to the delivery related item or transaction. What is the item? Over here we have descriptions for item categories that can be addressed and that can be processed with this combination of billing type and delivery type. Now, this is the part for the SD consultant. Okay. Over here, we need the item category TAN. This TAN is basically coming from the material master. We had to add this. And after this, of course, now in this TAN with the combination of F2, which is invoice and outbound delivery LF, we have the standard item. Copying requirements, the delivery item or the material will have to be delivered with the quantity minus the invoice quantity. So delivered quantity will be minus the invoice quantity. Invoice quantity can be 1,000 units. Delivered quantity can be 200 in the first phase. That's how you can calibrate your delivery against the invoice, and that's how you can raise the invoice to the vendor. Okay. For negative quantity, it will be positive quantity for the delivery. Pricing will be that it will recalculate the taxes, which is redetermined taxes, copy price elements. Price elements will be copied from the sales order. Okay. And that was that. And that's how we managed to overcome it. And now we have the general entry and it can be cleared from the finance side. Okay, now we have the FI documents and we'll just see where that was. Okay, FI documents and just go back, step back, step, okay, and accounting. And we'll have profit center document and accounting document, accounting and profit center document. We have this FI document. We have the profit center document. Okay, and this is displayed in USD. Material price analysis, CKM3. Sales billing, VF01, we've already done the billing type and material, plant, IM01. This is raw material, but we need the finished good, yeah? Okay, now the finished good, okay. Receipt without order, goods issue, delivery, this has been delivered, okay. Yeah, from 90,000 to 84,000, 6,000 has been reduced, okay, because it has been delivered. Sales billing, VF01, we've already done this. I've already shown you billing document number, we've already created that, and CR memo. Okay, this is credit memo request. Create, we don't need a credit memo right now, we'll just go on and credit memo, it uses the same VF01. It just reverses that quantity and same part of return, VA01. We can continue this, but we'll just stop it over here without going ahead with our credit memo because we'll keep it simplified. Let's meet in the next one.